So there's been a lot of work on the railways, which has displaced the bandicoots in the area. So the railways have got together to make homes for the bandicoots, and the children have been painting those homes so those bandicoots won't be displaced for too long and they'll have new homes to get into.
We have been painting robots, purple and blue and some pink. I was going to draw Bandicoot, but I don't know how to. I painted a robot because don't really like it.
We were approached to take on the project of building some breeding boxes for the vegetation corridor. For one, it's involving the kids with community-driven projects, which is fantastic for us. I think it aids the kids to develop more precise skills that maybe they'll take through their life.
It's not just about bandicoots, it's about all animals. We want to help protect as many as we can.
We try and be as sustainable as possible. So part of sustainability, they've gained information about the animals and how we can make their environment as clean as possible and as safe as possible. Actually part of the curriculum as well. So I think it's a wonderful project.
Bandicoots are very scared and we need to look after them. They're not a very common species and they could easily go extinct.
I them having a home instead of being out in cold.